Crafteria, Crafteria, Crafteria.
Hello, it's Crafteria, and welcome to another video. I am so glad you are joining me today for this Beebeecraft haul. Beebeecraft is an online company and they have all sorts of wonderful craft supplies. I'm part of their YouTube program where they allow me to go on their website and choose about $40 worth of items, and then I get to bring those to you. I do an unboxing video and 2 other project share videos in exchange for the free items. You also can join their YouTube program if you have a YouTube channel with 100 subscribers. I will put that link in the description box below. They are really a lot of fun and easy to work with. I also have a coupon code. It is Tiggeria15, and that coupon code is for $5 off of $40, and it is good until May of 2023, so you have a lot of time to use it. They also normally have free shipping on orders of $40 or more. I will post links to all of these items in the description box below. They are my affiliate links, and it lets Beebeecraft know that I sent you, and I also earn a small commission. So let me go ahead and show you what I received. So much fun this time around. The first item in the bag are these 2 rolls of star trim. There's one silver and one gold. These are really big rolls. There's 15 meters of star trim on each one, and this is the silver and it's metallic. And each star measures about a ½ an inch. Each one of these squares, small squares, is a ½ an inch, so you can kind of see the size of them there. So we have silver and also gold. Very, very pretty metallic trim, and the roll is huge. So they should last a long time. I thought they would go great on Christmas cards. And the next item are these die cuts. They are border dies. There's 3 of them in the package. We have the holly, it looks like bows, and then the bells. And these dies measure about 5 inches long, so they would go okay on an A2 size card. Then the next item are these Christmas cabochons. I'm going to put them on this white paper so you can see them. These are epoxy cabochons. They're flat, and I thought they would be great for Christmas cards as embellishments. We have the 2 little bears and Mr. Santa, a gift. We have 2 different styles of Christmas trees. I'll put the duplicates over here. A little tiny snowman. There's probably, I'm going to guess there's 2 of each. We'll see. And there's another little gift. Oh, he's so cute. The penguin is very cute. So there's 20 of them in all. There's 10 different ones, and there's 2 of each. And they are quite thin. They're maybe 1/8 of an inch thick. So they would be great on cards. They wouldn't be too thick. Oh, I should mention the prices. For 20 of these were $6.59, and the 2 rolls of star trim was $11.98. And the border dies were $6.09. I can't guarantee the prices will be the exact same when you purchase, but that's what they were at the time of me filming this video. Then there are these little Christmas charms. They're metal with enamel coloring or paint on them. There's the Santas. There's little snowmen. I'm going to guess there's 2 of each of these. Let me put these against this white paper as well. There's these cute elf booties or stockings. They're adorable. And these more traditional Christmas stockings. Then we have a couple of reindeer. These would make really cute earrings. And then the candy canes. They're really nice. They're gold color on the back. And they are also very thin, so they would go good on cards. They would also make great earrings. And there's 12 of them. And this set was $5.39 for the whole package. And then the last item are these Christmas patches. I'm so excited about these. I believe these are iron-on patches. They have the shiny backing, and they are felt, it feels like, and they're embroidered. So here we have the adorable snowman and a Christmas tree, and that gold is metallic on there. And we have the stocking with some silver metallic accents. We have a Santa. We have this stocking. Try to keep them all in frame. We have that cute snowman. The snow globe with Santa. And that's kind of just a traditional snowman. I'm going to need more room. A snowflake. Santa. I really like the candy canes. They're so cute. And this Merry Christmas Santa, he might be my favorite. And this is a really pretty Christmas tree, all decorated with goodies. And this cute little fun snowman. This whimsical reindeer, he's adorable. And this cute festival of trees. And the bells. And this beautiful blinged up wreath. Look at how pretty that is with the sequins. I love that. It looks like there are 18 of these, and this set was $10.19. That concludes this Beebeecraft haul. I hope you enjoyed it. Be on the lookout for 2 more videos coming in the near future using these products on projects. That's hard to say. I will put links to everything in the description box below, including their YouTube program and also my coupon code for Tiggeria15. It gives you $5 off of $40. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please click on that subscription button right down there and then click on the bell so YouTube will notify you whenever I upload a new video. Also, if you like what you see, please do give me a thumbs up, and then also leave a comment below and let me know what your favorite product is, either one that I have shown here or another one from the Beebeecraft website. Thanks again for watching. I do appreciate you, and until the next video, you know what to do. Go get crafting. Bye-bye.